Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tom McBride, the General Manager of the RAK facility. This morning I'll take you through very briefly the building, the offices, the sleeping accommodation and various other parts of the 69-roomed facility that we have here in RAK. We are in a small compound. As you can see, this is the front gate to our compound. The porter cabin you can see is designed for the local guard group as and when we require them. This will be their office. The door you can see is the lower echelon, separated for the local guard group, where we can accommodate quite comfortably the requirements from them. The building itself, as you can see, is a two-storey complex. Within this complex there is a total of 69 rooms, single sleepers, double sleepers, ensuite facility and large toilet facilities, kitchen, ops room and various other offices included within this facility. The mosque you can see in front of you now eventually will become ours. Through the fence and beyond is the main offices of Algier Port itself. We work quite closely with the guys in there who provide us with various assets, help and direction as we go through the daily operations of RAK Maritime Guard Group here. Sleepers, double sleepers, ensuite facility and large toilet facilities, kitchen, ops room and various other offices included within this facility. The mosque you can see in front of you now eventually will become ours. Through the fence and beyond is the main offices of Algier Port itself. We work quite closely with the guys in there who provide us with various assets, help and direction as we go through the daily operations of RAK Maritime Guard Group here. We're going to take you a small walk through the main entrance, as you can see in front of you, and I will show you the large classroom or briefing room. We'll show you the large classroom or briefing room. Okay, we've just entered the main reception area. If we go left here, this takes you into the actual training cell itself. The training cell is made up of various classrooms. The first main classroom is the Emirates classroom. This is the largest classroom available to us, and as you can see, we can comfortably accommodate a fair amount of people for any briefings that are required in the training centre. Moving through the bottom corridor then, the only thing missing is the computer, which again hopefully will be procured in the next coming weeks. On the bottom corridor, this will be where the teams are located and housed for whatever duration they're here for. Again, as I spoke about, a typical layout of a single room with the ensuite facility is here. This is a generic layout of a single room here in RAK with a basic ensuite facility. As you can see, it is basic, but it meets the needs of these guys when they come off ship. Into this two-man room, exactly the same layout, the bed, wardrobes, into this two-man room, exactly the same layout, the bed, wardrobes, and obviously the computer desk and chair with the same ensuite facility through there as you've just seen in the single room. I'm walking through the corridor just to try and give you a perception of how large the facility actually is and how many rooms are within this facility here. As I said, 69 individual rooms which have been changed, moved to offices, storage space, single rooms, double rooms. The large office we're going in just now will eventually be turned into a recreational TV lounge. Some of these rooms in this corridor we're in at the moment only have beds in. There is no ensuite facility. Okay, this just increases the capacity of personnel we can take from a transit and move in here. Again, it's comfortable, it's cosy, as you would say. This is backed up with, we have two large ablutions areas. One side, single showers. We have the large ablution area, which can quite clearly cope with the amount of team leaders and team members required to live in the accommodation without the ensuite facility. Hi, to cut down the dodgy camera work, I've walked upstairs. We're now in the first floor here in RAK. Again, this is the makeshift TV room. It will be populated with the correct furniture eventually, but for now, this is the TV entertainment room. Again, just giving you the size of the place, it's virtually the same layout as downstairs, same size of room, same size of office. Single sleepers, double sleepers. Okay, again upstairs we have a basic laundry facility. Again, the laundry facility has a capacity to increase as the staff increase. Okay, we've now moved into the operations centre. As you can see, similar layout to Malta with the double screens. There's just one or two pieces of furniture needs to be procured, and then this will be complete. Okay, we're in the kitchen dining area. Basic kitchen dining area which can facilitate up to 20 personnel quite comfortably. Where we are now is where the offices are located within the building. Again, the IT systems have to be procured, but we have the boardroom with the basic setup. Again, still to be complete, but we still have the basic setup, quite comfortable. As I showed downstairs, there is a typical office layout. Once the IT equipment is procured, then it will be quite easily a comfortable environment for individuals to work. As you can see, I'm on the roof. This will conclude the final part of the presentation. What I'm doing is just giving you a complete overview of the location of Algiers Port and the immediate surrounding area. Very briefly, I have to be very quick because the Coast Guard's over there watching. This concludes the small presentation. I hope it gives you a good idea of what life's like here in RAK.